Hello class, and welcome to the second lesson for Chapter 2. Today we're going to talk about socialism and capitalism and some of the differences. Socialism means that little private property exists and the state owns all factors of production. In a socialist economy, the government attempts to manage production and especially the distribution of goods. Look at figure 2.4 at the bottom of page 52 on your book for a more detailed explanation of the characteristics of socialism. Socialism grew out of protests against problems caused by the Industrial Revolution in the 1800s. Karl Marx viewed history as a continual struggle between various groups or classes in society. In his own day, he saw this struggle as going on between the capitalists, the owners of land, machines, and factories, and the proletariat, or workers. In a nutshell, Marx believed that the proletariat would lead an uprising in which they would overthrow the capitalists and seize control of production, which would create a socialist economy. He also believed that that would lead to communism, an idealized system with no need for government. Today, communism has come to mean an authoritarian socialist system that supports revolution as a means to overthrow capitalism and bring about socialist goals. Ironically, instead of no government, communist systems have historically demonstrated that a central government ends up controlling the entire economy. In the 20th century, socialism split into two major trends: democratic socialism, in which the government controls some areas of the economy, but officials are elected by the people, and authoritarian socialism, where the central government controls the entire economy with most likely no free elections. There are two main benefits for capitalism. They are economic efficiency and individual freedom. Supporters of capitalism point out that capitalism allows for more efficiency in the workplace and for greater rates of economic growth. They encourage initiative, which is personal freedom, which capitalists feels goes away when there's no incentive to work hard. There's been much evidence to show that countries closer to pure capitalism, unregulated economic systems, have much higher rates of economic growth. As we talked about in the last lesson, the United States economy is considered a mixed economy. But is it closer to capitalism or socialism? Keep this in mind for our discussion in the next class period.